Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method with you which absolutely anybody can do. You can do this without any experience, without any skills, you don't need any money for this, and it's that simple. You can do all of this purely from your phone. Now for this method we're going to need a number of things, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through all of these different websites, what we're going to be using for this. And as I've mentioned, they're all 100% free. Now, making money online and from home, it is simple, it's easy, and at the same time, it's easy not to do these things. Okay, so if you like, or if you're interested in making money online, go over to my blog. I've got lots of articles, whether it's earning online, working from home, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, YouTube, I've got lots of articles, and I've even got a members area, I've got free courses, and lots more. But let's look at today's method. I'll show you step by step how this all works. Now, website number one is this one over here, which I'm sure you're all aware of, is Facebook, okay? Now, over here, I've got two pages open on Facebook. Now, you'll notice this one here. It says Huge Bargains, Extreme Couponing and Latest Deals UK Group. This one over here is a bit more specific. It just says Amazon Deals UK, free discount codes, coupons and vouchers. So, what are these groups doing here? So you see this one here. All they're doing is literally, they're getting links from Amazon and they're sharing them in this group. If I take this up to the top, we can see here, 75,000 members inside of this Facebook group here. And inside of this one, we have got 33,000 members. So what are they doing and how can you, make money with this method? So step one is you go over to Facebook and you create a group. Now today we're going to be looking at these two different Facebook groups here. You can do this in any category, in any niche. With Christmas around the corner, this is a great method to make money. But all they're doing here is, if we just scroll down here, you can see they are literally sharing deals from Amazon. Okay, look, currently £7 but cheaper. You can get it for £4.55. Again, I am in the UK, so this is UK pricing in some of these different Facebook groups. But let me click on discussion, and I'll scroll through and I'll share with you some of these here, because genuinely, look, they shared this 1 hour ago for £2.75, and I know that there are these groups in the US, Australia, and many more. Scroll down here, another one, etc., etc. So how are they making money with this? So you see, let's just go ahead and find one. So like this one here, look, this deal has now expired. They shared that previously this morning. But all they're doing is they're going on Amazon. Predominantly, they're going over to the deals page, or you can see here, look, lightning deal plus voucher. And they're sharing those links from Amazon inside of this Facebook group here. If anybody clicks and buys any of these products here, guess what? The owner or the creator of this simple Facebook group here, they earn what is known as an affiliate commission. So it's pretty cool. The other thing what the owners of this Facebook group here have done is they've also created a group over on Telegram. Now I'm looking at my phone so I can show you this. So can you see, where's the camera? It's there. So you see there, that is the same Telegram group. So what they're doing is they're posting these deals in the Facebook group, and they're also posting them, you see on here, you can see they're posting it in the Telegram group. And if I scroll there, you can hopefully see that over 700 people have seen that post there. So literally, it's the same thing. They just copy and pasting from the Facebook group, and then they're also posting that link. In fact, it's there, look. They're posting that link into the Telegram group. And anyone, as I've mentioned, anyone clicks on those links, they're earning an affiliate commission. Now, the thing what you may not know is, especially with Amazon, if someone clicks this link, so for example, if I clicked this link and, bought this, what is that? A squeaky dog set. If I bought this dog set here and I then purchased anything else within 24 hours, Amazon will go ahead and give the owner of this Facebook group commission on everything within a 24-hour period. So, do you think you could go over to the homepage on Amazon, go to the lightning deals and share those deals in a Facebook group? I think you could. I think anyone could do. It's not hard and it's definitely not difficult. So how do you do this? Well, step one is you can decide on a category or a niche. So it doesn't have to be, huge bargains. It could be, dogs, deals for dogs or deals for cats or Christmas presents, etc. But let me share this with you. So if I come over here I just want to show you this. So this is over on, you can see on here, the affiliate program for Amazon. Now, this is the sign up page or the application review process, but basically you sign up. Now, if I scroll down here, this is what you need to become an associate with Amazon. Now, and also, side note, you don't just have to do this with Amazon. You can do this with the eBay Partner Network because you can become an affiliate for eBay. You can go onto different affiliate networks like Share a Sale, like Awin, like Commission Junction. There's hundreds of these. Just go on Google and type in, affiliate networks, and you can find hundreds of these. So if I scroll down here, look, social networks. But we've got websites. So in order to become an affiliate or a partner with Amazon, you can see on here, you need a website or a mobile app or a social network or an application. So what does that mean? So basically, you can see here, look, content on your website must be recent. So basically, if you have a website, you can share links on there. But more importantly, for today's method, come down here, look, we currently only accept the following social networks. This includes Facebook, which is open group pages and fan pages. So you can go ahead, create a Facebook group, come over to Amazon, sign up as an affiliate, and you can start sharing links over into groups like this. And as I've mentioned, anyone clicks any of these links and purchases, you earn an affiliate commission. Pretty straightforward. If I come back over here, this, by the way, all you do is just go on, any search engine and type in Amazon Associates, and you'll find these articles over here. Now, once you've signed up to Amazon, you can see here you get given a link. So all of these groups here, these links here, all they're doing is they're going over to Amazon, and you see over here where it says product links. They just get Amazon, give you a link like this, and it can include an image like this one over here, and you paste that link over here into a Facebook group. And that's it. So let me share with you an actual example of this. So we'll come over here. Let's just go over onto Amazon. Amazon.co.uk. And I'm going to very quickly, so look, deals on Alexa devices. So let's just go with this one over here. And I'm going to scroll down. And you can see, so this is the current product, this is the price. So, if I had a Facebook group, for deals or Christmas presents or even just gadgets and electronics, they'd probably be interested in this over here because it's on a price drop. So, what would I do? I'd come up here and I would get a link up here. You see it says get link. I've got text, image, text and image. So, I'm just going to click on, let me just go with text. I'm going to copy that. Now, if we go back over to Facebook here, and I'll just quickly go onto my home page, so I'll show you the process of how you do this. Let me click on here. Is that going to take me to the home page? Yeah. So you see on here, I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to click on here, and I paste that onto here. Now, obviously, this would be in your Facebook group, and then look what happens. Just takes a second, and then Facebook populate this with the image, and you've got your link up here, and then you'd put some text in here. So just found this awesome deal over on Amazon. Pretty straightforward, and that's it. I can't spell. So just found this awesome deal over on Amazon, and then I'd click on post, and then literally that would go into the Facebook group like what we are seeing over here. It doesn't take long. It definitely isn't hard. And, as I've mentioned, with Christmas around the corner, you could, share any deals that you find, whether it is presents, toys, games, etc., etc. This method is 100% free because Facebook is free. Signing up to the Amazon Associates program, it's free. All it's going to take is a little bit of time and effort on your behalf. So, look, there's not much more to say. That is a method that absolutely anyone can do to make money online. We're focusing in this example on something which is known as affiliate marketing, because basically we become an affiliate with Amazon, we're partnering with them, they give us a link, we send them traffic, in this example a person, they purchase something, and Amazon will compensate us for sending them over the traffic and the person to their platform to purchase things. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go over to my blog here. I've got affiliate marketing. Inside of here, I have got many articles. I share case studies on here. I do product reviews. If you come down here, you can see we've got a case study, affiliate marketing free courses, how people are earning money sharing products online. It's not hard. It's not difficult, it just takes a little bit of time and effort. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.